Hi everyone, my name is Chris Visaya with Splunk Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pass tokens between Splunk dashboards and JavaScript. As you probably know, you can easily pass tokens in Splunk dashboards using simple XML. Here, we have a simple form that contains a dropdown and a table. The dropdown passes the product name token data into a search, which updates our table. Bam! Tokens in XML. But what if you need to change the value of a token, arrange the data to fit a visualization, or send the token data outside of Splunk for additional processing? This is where using JavaScript with tokens comes in really handy. Before we start manipulating tokens, let's first look at how you run custom JavaScript in a Splunk dashboard. We have a simple script that's sole purpose is to return a Hello World alert. Our scripts need to live in an app's app server static subfolder. You will need to create this folder if it doesn't exist. We will move our Hello World script into the location. Similar to editing config files, there will be a discrepancy between what you have on disk versus what is loaded into memory. We need to perform a restart of Splunk Web to pick up the changes we've made to this folder. You will only need to do this once when you import a script into your dashboard. Be advised that your browser could cache the script, not allowing you to see changes. For this reason, we suggest you use the Chrome browser incognito mode during development. Let's take our dashboard from before and edit the source to include our script. Ta-da! Here's our alert. We now have custom JavaScript running in our dashboard. For a more meaningful interaction between JavaScript and Splunk, I'll need a more sophisticated script. Let's return to our script and add some functionality. We import the components we need in the script. MVC and Simple XML Ready let us interact with tokens and use the Splunk.js stack respectively. I've also included the text input view component because that's where we're going to output our JavaScript modified token. There are two token models we can use in dashboards, default and submitted. Tokens in the default model will propagate immediately on change, while tokens in the submitted model will only update when a search button is clicked. We want the tokens to update immediately when selected from the dropdown, so we use the default model. We add an onChange event handler that responds whenever the product name token changes. Inside the handler, we use the model's get function to assign the product name token values to a variable. We can then manipulate the token's data. For simplicity, we're going to append a simple string and write to another token that we'll receive on the dashboard. We use the model's set function to create a new token with the value of our updated variable. We now have a new token that we can use in our dashboard. To view our token, let's create a text input form to display the token in, and add a placeholder for the input to our dashboard source. And now, when we select a product name in the dropdown, the new token is created and displayed in the form input. And that's it. You've just seen a simple way to pass tokens from a dashboard to JavaScript and back again. But this is only the beginning. Think of this as a pipeline that opens up your data to all sorts of JavaScript manipulation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the Splunk documentation and classes from Splunk Education. And if you have suggestions for other videos you'd like to see, please email us at howtovideos@splunk.com.